Let's make some interpretations of our Boolean algebra with our binary set, with our binary operations being OR and our unary operation being the complement. So note that these operations can be anything as long as they satisfy the axioms of a Boolean algebra. So for example, the OR operation can be the maximum between x and y. So as we can see, the maximum of 0 and 0 is 0, 0 and 1 is 1, 1 and 0 is 1, and 1 and 1 is 1. And the AND operation is equivalent to a minimum. So the minimum of 0 and 0 is 0, 0 and 1 is 0, 1 and 0 is 0, and 1 and 1 is 1. So note that the complement of 0 is 1, and the complement of 1 is 0. Now another interpretation of our Boolean algebra is a switching circuit. So the basic idea is if our circuit is a closed loop, then current would flow through this circuit, and therefore this lamp would light up. So the first example here is where we place the switches X, Y in parallel, and if both of these switches are open, then the state of the circuit is open and no current would flow. Now if one of those switches were closed, then the state of the circuit is closed and current would flow through this circuit, and the lamp would switch on. And similarly, if X is closed but Y is open, then a current would flow through X and the state of the circuit will be closed, and therefore the lamp will light up. And if both switches are closed, then the circuit is closed and again the lamp lights up. So we can interpret open as the binary digit 0 and closed being the binary digit 1. Now if we consider a circuit connected in series, then if switches X and Y are both open, then no current flows and the state of the circuit is open. And if either switch is open, well, the state of the circuit is open and no current flows. And again, if one of the switches is open, then no current flows. And if both switches are closed, then we have a closed loop and the lamp lights up. So as we can see in this operation, we have 0, 1, 1, 1, which is equivalent to the OR operation. And in this operation, we have 0, 0, 0, 1. So that's equivalent to the AND operation.